Hey guys, welcome to Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan. I want to make this channel to share my love of baking with you, and YouTube is such a fun platform to help me do this. Now, when I'm not baking, my second favorite thing is everything pop culture, whether that's movies, music, or more. So I combined both of those into this channel called Celebrity Sweets, where we will make treats themed on the latest movies, music, and more. New videos will be out every Thursday, so please subscribe. Now, chances are if you're a celebrity or you know of a celebrity, they might have their star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, because Hollywood is known to be the place where celebrities live and hang out. So today we're going to be making a sugar cookie that looks like the stars on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. The things you'll need to make these sugar cookies will be 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of butter, or 2 sticks, 1 large egg. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 a teaspoon of salt, and black, red, and yellow food coloring. And to cut out these cookies, you will need a star. This is not a star, this is a square. You'll need a square cookie cutter and a star cookie cutter. You'll want the star to be able to fit inside. I found both of these at Joann's, and I'll put a link in the description below if you'd like to get these. And you'll also be needing a piping tip or some small circle cookie cutter. The first thing we want to do is in a small bowl, whisk together all of your flour, baking powder, and salt. So I just set all of our dry ingredients off to the side, and now in a large bowl, cream together your butter and sugar. This process is just beating on a medium-high speed. It would help if the mixer is turned on for about 3 minutes until smooth and creamy. Once you've creamed together the butter and the sugar, now we want to beat in our egg, mix it up, and then add in our vanilla extract. Our wet ingredients are fully incorporated, and now we can start to form this cookie dough. To do this, over here I've got our dry ingredients and our tablespoon of milk. We want to start by alternating, starting with half of your dry, mix it up, add the 1 tablespoon of milk, mix it up, and the last half of your dry, and mix it up. So all of our cookie dough has formed, and I've just divided it into 3 bowls. Each bowl is decreasing in size, starting with the red. We'll need the most red, then black, and yellow. To dye your cookie dough, add a few drops of food coloring, mix it up with the hand mixer till you get your desired color. So all of our dough has been colored into our vibrant colors, our yellow, red, and black. Now what we want to do is take the dough and place it on a little bit of plastic wrap and kind of tuck it in. All of the dough is wrapped and ready to go into the fridge for about 2 hours. Our doughs have been chilling in the fridge for 2 hours, and now it's time to roll them out. I'm going to start with our yellow dough. Simply flour the surface and then place on the dough. Sprinkle on a little bit more flour and then roll it out about 1/4 of an inch thick. Once you've rolled out your yellow dough, now we want to take our piping tip and cut out circles. Now we want to repeat this process with our red dough, roll it about 1/4 of an inch thick, and this time we're going to cut it out into our stars. Continue with the same process for your black dough. Flour the surface, add the dough, flour the dough, and roll it out about 1/4 of an inch thick, and then this time we want to cut it out into our squares. Now we get to form all of those parts into one cookie. To do this, start by taking a black cookie that we cut into squares, cut out a star from the middle of it, insert your red star, then cut out a circle using the piping tip of the red star, and add in our little yellow circle. So we've cut out our cookies and inserted them, and they look so cute. They look just like the stars on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. I placed them on a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper, and now we want to pop these in the oven at 375 degrees for 5 to 7 minutes. And here we have our Hollywood Walk of Fame tri-colored cookies that we made today, using a standard sugar cookie recipe that we elevated and turned it into 3 different batters and cut out some fun shapes, inserted them into the cookies to look like the Hollywood Walk of Fame stars. You could totally add more to this with the name or the sign. There's 5 signs on the Hollywood Walk of Fame stars: movies, records, theater, radio, and... If you happen to make these, please share them with me on Instagram at Celebrity Sweets. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any sweet content. Until next time, savor life and make it sweet.